Guys, this is very serious. Bitcoin is heading down to $15,000. I just tweeted this chart right here about Bitcoin and I draw this yellow line. This yellow line used to be a support and now become a resistance, guys. Okay? So Bitcoin is having a hard time to cross up this line. So I believe it's gonna crashing down. If you follow my Twitter account, you're gonna see I posted on April 29 the explanation this chart right here and teach why Bitcoin is gonna hit $15,000 on the future. Okay, but like I mentioned before, follow my Twitter account and keep yourself updated about Bitcoin. We don't care for Bitcoin, we care for the coins with high volume, guys. That's what my software is tracking. I developed this software to track the crypto market. My software right now is tracking 5,000 coins. Okay, look how many coins I'm tracking. So today we are up 625% profit. Let me show you the coins I share in the private list. Let's go to pump private list down here. Okay, we trade DeepBrain, AICODE, Metastrike, SquidGrow, Inverse Finance, Numbers Protocol. Guys, we trade coins with high volume. When the volume come in the market, that's when my software alert me, trade crypto. So I share my trades in the private list because more people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. Take a look at this. AI code. I shared this trade in the private list on April 19. We bought this coin for $3.50 and put a sell order up here. Daily resistance at $20. I made 430% profit. I made $43,000 in this single trade. Next trade recap, guys. Is same thing as Metastrike. Take a look at this volume right here. I shared this trade in the private list on May 19. We bought this coin for 0.003 and you put a sell order up here at daily resistance 0.008, 167% profit. I made $15,000 this trade. Guys, my software is tracking the market and my software is calculate volume spike plus buyer power. When the buyers control the market, I share my trades in the private list to increase the buyer power. More people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster, guys. That's the reason. If you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Also, I will alert you when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos, guys. This is called a swing trade. Okay, also if you don't like to trade, we can trade for you. We can provide you 25% return of investment a week, guys. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Today we just hit 625%. Tomorrow will be way more because my software is tracking 5,000 coins at the same time. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. My name is Daniel from South Beach, Miami.